her so much. She cooks fantastically well, and she's the best person on this planet. Then I don't understand that what is the need of this Mother's Day? Why we celebrate it? Yeah, hi, hello everyone, and this is Ujjwal Chug, and I welcome all of you once again. And yes, my today's question is that what is the need for this Mother's Day? What is the point of this whole day? To be very honest, I feel very strange when I listen people uttering, "Let's celebrate Mother's Day with great pride." It looks very strange to me. How come we can just give a single day of celebration for the one who is the epitome of love, compassion, care, and sacrifice? I would like to ask all of you, do we really celebrate a religious day or a spiritual day? We practice and embrace religion and spirituality in our daily routine because this is what we assume, that for us, spirituality, religion are the fundamental tools for leading a pleasant life and a key for liberation. But to my utter surprise, these are the tools which we have not self-discovered and someone told us. Yet we believe, practice, and follow them. But the biggest question is, how come Mother, who's the basis of our birth on this planet Earth, which we know consciously, we become ignorant about her? I would like to share with all of you that we must understand, if we really are searching for the creator of this planet, then let's come together and follow our dharma to embrace with joy the existence and knowing of our own originator on this planet, our Mother. I request all of you that don't do this crime of being ignorant about your own source of origin on earth, as this will take you much more far away from the reality. Let me tell you something very important. If we really want to evolve ourselves and transcend from being ordinary to less ordinary, then I would just request you that don't think about going to temple first or about your own skill enhancement, and neither about your own spiritual process first. Rather, just become consciously receptive for your own source of origin, your Mother, and trust me, your journey to transcend as an extraordinary human being will begin. Because once you know and you are consciously receptive about the source of your origin, the seeking for knowing the Creator will automatically grow. I bow down to all the sources of origin on this planet, the one who gave me birth, the one who gives land to live and food to eat, and to the one who is the Mother of the Creator Himself. I would request all of you, let's come together and take a pledge. Let's transcend, let's transform ourselves from celebrating Mother's Day to become Motherrious. That means we can embrace her every single moment of our life. Also, I would like to share with all of you, I come from the land of sages and wisdom, the Bharat, where Mother is not just treated as a mother, rather she is considered as a goddess. And for all the mothers on this planet and to all the sources of origin on this planet, I am keeping these 4 lines from the bottom of my heart. And also in Bharat, we call mother as Ma, and even today also I call my mother as Ma only. So for all of them, for all the mothers on this planet, जिस गोद में खेला था बचपन में मैं कभी, जरा गौर कीजिएगा, जिस गोद में खेला था बचपन में मैं कभी, आज उस दर पे फिर नई खुशी सी मुलाकात हुई है। जिस गोद में खेला था बचपन में मैं कभी, आज उस दर पे फिर नई खुशी सी मुलाकात हुई है। सिर्फ सुना था कि माँ के पैरों में सुकून है मिलता। ऐसा मैंने सुना था कि सिर्फ माँ के पैरों में सुकून है मिलता। आज उन पैरों में झुका तो लगा सुकून की बरसात सी हुई है। So I can still remember my childhood and the lap of my mother where I slept and I always play. But today, when I have encountered my mother, my Ma, I can have altogether a different experience of pleasantness. I heard from my elders that there is a different level of satisfaction when you bow down to the lotus feet of your mother. But today, when I bow down to the lotus feet of my mother, my heart has burst out of all the satisfaction, love and compassion. And that's the beauty of the mother.